Hey Bed Adventurers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Pen and Pinter Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with a simple yet beautiful traditional fall tablescape. So if you want to see how I put everything together, just keep on watching. The first thing I did before putting this tablescape together was I shopped my home just to make sure that I wasn't going out and purchasing things that I already own. Everything on this table I already have, with the exception of this beautiful little salad plate that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I've been seeing them all over YouTube. I've seen them with thankful in it. I got this one that says grateful. Those were the only ones they had, and they did not even have the dinner plates, but they are beautiful and they bring out the fall colors quite beautifully. As my centerpiece, I have put together these beautiful array of fall branches that I've had for a while. I have just clustered them all together and have put them in this. It's like a pumpkin bowl, almost like a small soup tureen that has a lid. In this case, I have removed the lid and added the vines and the branches to it with all these beautiful fall colors. The centerpiece is sitting on a small white tray, and as you can see, I have some cute little acorns on it in various fall colors, and they're also accompanied by this beautiful turkey and pumpkin, which are salt and pepper shakers. To the back of that, I've also incorporated some of these small glitter pumpkins that I picked up about 3 years ago, and I use them year after year in different parts of my home. Now let's take a look at the place setting. For my place setting, I'm using this sparkly placemat in the shape of a pumpkin. Then I'm using a red charger, this beautiful white plate with the gold trim, and of course these beautiful fall salad plates from the Dollar Tree. I'm using some cream colored napkins with a little bit of sparkle going through it. And yes, you have seen these before. These are my beautiful fall napkin rings from Totally Dazzled. I will leave a link to Totally Dazzled in the description box below. That way you can go ahead and check out some of their beautiful items. For my drinkware, I'm using just these really simple wine glasses, and they are sitting on some sparkly coasters. I've had these also for quite some time. And guys, as you can tell, I love to reuse my items. And to finish off the look, I went in with these gold silverware. The handle of the knife is gold, the top is silver, and the fork is all gold. Okay guys, I went in and I added a small change, which is this beautiful fall runner here. I just added it. I wanted to show you that you can be versatile by just adding or taking away simple things. And by adding this runner that has different fall objects on it, it has some acorns, It has some fall leaves, absolutely beautiful, and the colors complement this tablescape very well. But you can add or take away whatever you want to create the look that you want. I think the table runner here kind of allows the table setting to come together just a little bit more. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it with the table runner or without the table runner? Here I went in again and added some extra pumpkins. So the ones that I had on the tray, I've just put them to the side and added another beautiful color that also enhances all of the colors on this table. And I have them on both sides. And guys, like I said before, with the exception of these beautiful salad plates from the Dollar Tree, I already had everything. So please go ahead and check everything you have in your home. Check your inventory because you may not need to go out and purchase anything. And guys, when you are decorating or creating your tablescapes or anything for that matter, don't be afraid to move things around. Add things, take things away, see how it looks, move the plate, take it back, pull it apart, pull it back together. It is your creation and you have to love it, right? And when you love it, others will love it just the same. But don't be afraid to try new things. Like I said, shop your home, check your inventory, put things together. And if it doesn't feel right or if it doesn't look right to you, try something else until you get your desired look. And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate your presence. Don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know how you like this simple yet beautiful traditional fall tablescape. And before I go, guys, I am happy to announce that all my home renovations are complete. And I cannot wait to share the different spaces with you, the floors, the stairs. Actually, I did put a video up of the process of the renovation. So if you haven't seen that video yet, it is up on my channel. I will link it for you below. That way you can check it out. But I have so much more coming, new furniture that I want to share with you. I will also be doing some room tours. So make sure, guys, that your notification bells are on. And that way you will not miss any of the videos that I post. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly do appreciate your presence and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And make sure again that you hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, Shalom, is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.